What's up, guys? This is Brett here from Soul Rebels, and today I just kind of wanted to discuss, a little bit about like how we organize our nutrition throughout the day. We post a lot of videos of recipes, and most people don't realize that the recipes that we post, they're all measured out. And this is kind of how we keep track of our nutrition that we eat daily. And we create an Excel spreadsheet, as you can see here. Um, on the left-hand side, right here, this lets us know this is our training day nutrition. Okay, and right next to that we have the amounts, right, and of each food that we're gonna eat, right. So like my pre-workout meal, if you look right here, it's gonna be 1 scoop of 24 grams of protein casein. You got 1 medium banana and then 1 extra large peach. Okay, and then over here to the right, you got our calories, protein, carbs, and fat, right? And we've made a separate Excel spreadsheet that lists all the food, with all the nutrition facts, right? So on a training day, so right now currently my goals are, I want to lose weight. I want to drop some weight. Okay, so I've been reducing the calories each week, right? On training days, my calories and my carbs are a little bit higher than my non-training days. Okay, so this kind of lists my whole entire day of what I'm going to be eating. If you look down here at the bottom, down right here, it'll tell you my limits. So my calculations, my total calories for a training day should come out to about 2,332, right? And for today, I'm at 2,325. And then my protein, which will show you, is at 40% today. All right, and my goal is 233, and I got it at 237.75. And then my carbs are at 40%. They're higher on training days, and it's at 200. It should hit 233, but I'm at 236.1. And then my fat should be 52, and it's a little bit less. It's at 47.05. And my macros are 40, 40, 20. Okay, and this just kind of gives you an idea of how you can set up your day with an Excel spreadsheet and kind of like track what you're eating and know exactly what you're consuming throughout the day. All right, guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. We live this every single day. So, cheers, man. Take care.